Hey, it's Mike with another Wash Talk FAQ. So we had the question as to chemical injectors. Somebody has a chemical injector on their pressure washer at the water in line, or rather the water out line for downstreaming. And when they're using a 50-foot, 100-foot hose, their mix is just fine. But when they use a 200-foot hose, the chemical injector, the mix just doesn't seem to be good enough. It seems to be getting weaker. So, of course, we asked Josh Wagner. Josh. Say hi, Josh.
Hi.
We asked Wagner, Old Man Wags, what could we do to help this customer? And the solution he wrote back are basically three things. You need to understand that a chemical injector, any accessory, including hose, the farther away from the actual pull it is, the mix does get weaker. So if it's good at 50 feet and 100 feet, but at 200 feet it's not very good, you have a couple of choices. One, move the chemical injector closer to the end of the hose. Another solution is to use a shorter hose. And then a third solution is to get a higher flow chemical injector, such as, let's see what Wags called it specifically, a high flow injector, a dual barb injector, or even an X-Jet, which we of course have those all on dirtkiller.com. And finally, a fourth solution would be to ditch the downstream chemical injector altogether and get set up with a soft wash system that's purely dedicated to spraying your chemicals. One other thing to keep in mind is that chemical injectors are wear parts. That means they do wear out. So it might have gotten dirty. You might want to check that. You might want to see if it's all rusted out inside, because if you forgot to rinse it out after each and every use, they do corrode and do get rusty and do wear out. So you might just need a whole new chemical injector. So try all of those solutions, and if you want to upgrade to a soft wash, let us know. If you have any other questions, please leave a question or a comment below. You can also ask a question directly at dirtkiller.com/forum. That's where these are being posted. And also over on Facebook, we have a new group called Wash Talk. So you can join that group as well. Thanks for watching. My name's Mike with Dirt Killer. Let's kill some dirt.
Dirt Killer. Let's kill some dirt.